Arctic fox camouflage. A master of disguise, the Arctic fox survival in such a harsh environment is truly remarkable, and one of its most fascinating adaptations is its seasonal color change. During the summer months, when the landscape transforms into a relatively green tundra, these foxes sport a sleek, brownish, gray coat that provides excellent camouflage amongst the vegetation. But as winter approaches and snow blankets the Arctic, something incredible happens. Their fur gradually shifts to a pristine white. This transformation isn't instantaneous, it's a slow process influenced by daylight hours and temperature changes. The white coat offers crucial protection from predators like wolves and allows them to sneak up on prey, such as lemmings and voles. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind. It's a perfect example of how evolution has shaped this animal to thrive in an ever-changing world. As winter loosens its grip and the Arctic tundra awakens, a remarkable transformation unfolds in our furry friend, the Arctic fox. You've seen them with their iconic white coats, perfectly adapted for snowy landscapes. But during the summer months, when wildflowers carpet the ground and vibrant green vegetation emerges from beneath the snowpack, these foxes undergo a stunning color change. Their thick winter coat sheds, revealing a sleek brown or gray coat underneath. This new coloration isn't just visually striking, it's crucial for survival. The darker tones provide exceptional camouflage against the exposed rocks, mossy areas, and burgeoning plant life of the summer tundra. It allows them to stalk prey more effectively and evade potential predators, all thanks to this seasonal adaptation. With winter closing in and temperatures plummeting across the Arctic, a truly incredible adaptation takes place. The Arctic fox, previously sporting a brown or gray coat that blends with summer tundra, begins its seasonal color change. It's a gradual shift, almost imperceptible at first, as individual hairs transform. Over several weeks, this process culminates in a full-blown transformation to brilliant white fur, an absolute masterpiece of camouflage. This isn't just about looking pretty, it's essential for survival. The stark white coat allows the fox to virtually disappear against the snow and ice, making it nearly invisible to both prey and potential predators. Imagine how crucial that is when you're hunting lemmings or trying to avoid a wolf. It's fascinating how the Arctic fox manages this incredible color transformation. It's not simply a matter of getting cold, it's actually driven by something much more subtle: the length of daylight hours. This is what scientists call photoperiod. As days grow shorter in autumn, they trigger a cascade of hormonal changes within the fox body. These hormones then directly influence the pigment cells or melanocytes inside the hair follicles, either stimulating them to produce dark pigment or telling them to reabsorb it. It's a slow and steady process, taking several weeks for the full change to occur. The Arctic fox's incredible color change isn't just about genetics, it's a dynamic process actively controlled by its body. Melanin, the pigment that gives animals their darker colors like brown and black, is actually suppressed during the winter months. Think of it as the fox consciously dialing down the melanin production. This suppression reveals the underlying white fur, which contains very little melanin to begin with. It's a truly remarkable adaptation, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the snowy landscape, providing crucial camouflage from predators and helping them stalk unsuspecting prey. This incredible camouflage isn't merely about looking pretty against a snowy backdrop, it's absolutely essential for survival in this harsh environment. Imagine being a tiny fox surrounded by massive predators like wolves and polar bears. Your ability to disappear is the difference between life and death. It allows them to move through the landscape almost unseen, a silent shadow navigating the ice and snow. This stealth isn't just defensive, it's equally vital for hunting. A well-camouflaged fox can creep up on unsuspecting lemmings, voles, or even ptarmigan without alerting them to its presence, securing a crucial meal. It's fascinating to observe that Arctic fox coats aren't always a uniform blanket of white. Genetic diversity plays a significant role in their appearance. Some individuals carry genes that prevent them from fully transitioning to winter white. You might see these foxes with patches of brown fur persisting even when snow is all around. This variation isn't just a cosmetic difference, it can have real consequences for survival. In areas where snowfall is unpredictable or patchy, like coastal regions or lower elevations, a fox retaining darker coloration becomes more visible to predators and less successful at hunting prey. Their camouflage simply isn't as effective. The Arctic fox's ability to switch between a dark brown coat in summer and a pristine white one in winter isn't just camouflage, it's a fascinating example of genetic adaptation. Scientists are intensely interested in the specific genes responsible for this dramatic color change, hoping to unlock clues about how animals respond to environmental pressures. Climate change is rapidly altering Arctic habitats, melting ice, shifting snow cover patterns, and changing vegetation. These changes can disrupt the fox's traditional camouflage strategy. A white coat against a brown landscape makes them incredibly vulnerable to predators and impacts their hunting success. By understanding the genetic switches that control fur color, we gain insights into broader evolutionary processes and how species might cope with future environmental shifts. Research is focused on identifying what triggers these changes. Is it based solely on daylight hours, or are other factors like temperature or snow depth involved? The answers have implications far beyond just understanding Arctic foxes. They can inform conservation efforts for a range of vulnerable species facing similar challenges. This precise timing isn't just a quirk of nature, it's absolutely critical for survival. Imagine an Arctic fox starting to shed its winter coat too early, perhaps in mid-spring when patches of snow still linger. Suddenly, that creamy white fur stands out dramatically against the thawing landscape. It becomes incredibly obvious to predators like wolves or eagles, significantly increasing their chances of being spotted and targeted. Conversely, a delayed color change means the fox remains snowy white long after the surrounding tundra has turned green. Again, this makes them far more visible and vulnerable during crucial hunting periods, potentially missing out on prey or becoming easy pickings themselves. That's why evolution has honed this seasonal shift to such incredible precision. It's a delicate dance between camouflage and survival. The Arctic fox's ability to change its coat color isn't just a neat trick, it's a powerful demonstration of evolution in action. For generations, these foxes have faced the challenge of survival in landscapes that dramatically shift between summer and winter. During warmer months, when snow melts away, their brown or gray fur provides excellent camouflage against rocky terrain and sparse vegetation. This helps them avoid detection by predators like wolves and eagles, while simultaneously allowing them to stalk unsuspecting prey like lemmings and voles. As winter approaches and the landscape transforms into a pristine white blanket, the Arctic fox coat undergoes a remarkable change. It gradually turns snowy white. This incredible adaptation makes them virtually invisible against the snow, providing crucial protection from predators and giving them a significant advantage when hunting. It's a beautiful example of how natural selection favors traits that increase survival rates in specific environments, perfectly illustrating the interconnectedness of life in the Arctic.